Digital photography made simple.
Welcome back again to Digital 1-to-1. Today we're having a garden party, but what I really want to discuss with you are the photographic terms of what foreground is and what background is. Right now I am in the foreground and our guests are in the background. Let me show you how most people would take a photograph of such an image like this party setting. Notice how in this first image our friends appear a little small and nothing really feels significant about the scene. How do we want to make this shot better? A little rearranging of our scene, we're going to place Heidi up into the foreground and keep her two friends into the background, and we're going to offer a little more sense of perspective to our shot. So Heidi, can I have you bring your chair up closer to the table?
Sure.
I'm going to put Heidi into the foreground now. Okay, smile girls. Ah, perfect. You can see in this image, our garden party now feels more inviting, like you're right there with them. So bringing somebody into the foreground and creating a little more perspective in your shot makes you feel like you're right there with the party. Learning the basic differences between the foreground and the background, you now have the ability to take a better shot. So we're going to leave you with some pictures of our garden party. Enjoy.
They should be so lucky.
You see?